How many health benefits does honey have, and can it turn into poison if consumed incorrectly? Why is turmeric so beneficial, and what happens when you combine it with honey? How to properly prepare this mixture and how to take it without harming your body? And finally, what are the contraindications? You'll learn all about it in this video. Watch until the end and you'll get a bonus, a recipe for turmeric tea that also helps with weight loss. Honey is not just a sweet treat, but a true natural treasure that has been valued since ancient times and is still widely used in traditional medicine today. Honey is a product created by bees from flower nectar, which they partially process. The result is a product that is not only delicious but also beneficial for the body due to its unique composition. First, there are amino acids, the building blocks of proteins that the body cannot synthesize on its own and must obtain from food. Amino acids are essential for the functioning of every cell, the synthesis of hormones and enzymes, and, therefore, for maintaining overall health. Second, honey contains vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins, vitamin C, iron, potassium, and magnesium that support the normal functioning of the body. Honey is also an excellent source of energy and can be used as a natural sugar substitute, as its main components are carbohydrates, fructose, and sucrose. These simple sugars are quickly absorbed and provide the body with essential energy. This source of energy is especially important during recovery from illness or after physical exertion, when the body needs a quick replenishment of resources. Thanks to its composition, honey offers a range of beneficial properties. Here are just a few: antibacterial and antiviral properties. Honey can effectively combat pathogenic microorganisms that cause diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Honey helps reduce inflammation, making it beneficial for various infections. Metabolism boosting. The compounds in honey help accelerate metabolic processes in the body. Brain activity stimulation. Honey contains glucose, which serves as a source of energy for the brain. Immune support. Honey helps strengthen the immune system and protects the body from infections. Digestive health. Honey improves digestion and helps eliminate waste and toxins from the body. Blood formation optimization. Thanks to its iron content, honey supports and enhances blood formation processes. Skin healing and regeneration. Honey aids in treating various skin conditions and can speed up the wound healing process. However, it's important to remember that honey should be consumed in moderation. Honey is high in sugar and can raise blood sugar levels, which may be an issue for people with diabetes, excess weight, or insulin resistance. If diabetes has not yet developed, honey may trigger its onset. It is recommended to consume no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey per day, and not every day. Honey can contain bacteria that may be harmful to the body, especially for young children and pregnant women. Excessive consumption of honey can trigger an allergic reaction, and if consumed incorrectly, honey can even become poisonous. We are used to adding honey to hot tea or boiling water, but honey should not be heated or added to hot drinks. It not only loses its beneficial properties but can also become carcinogenic. Therefore, add honey only after the drink has cooled down to room temperature. Choose natural honey. Often, honey sold in supermarkets contains a large number of additives and sweeteners. In fact, it's not even real honey, and such additives can be even more harmful to health, causing more harm than good. To get the most benefit from honey and minimize risks, choose natural, high-quality honey. Study the ingredients and information about the producer. Now, let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric is not only a popular Eastern spice, but also a powerful tool for maintaining health. Its main active component is curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin is responsible for the bright yellow color of turmeric and its healing effects. Turmeric has many positive qualities. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant and strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight infections. Curcumin helps improve blood flow, lowers cholesterol, and reduces inflammation, which slows down the development of atherosclerosis and is overall beneficial for the cardiovascular system. Turmeric helps prevent infections and reduce allergic reactions. It affects the gastrointestinal tract by enhancing bile flow, acting as a choleretic and bile antiseptic, thus improving digestion. Turmeric helps remove waste and toxins from the body, improving overall well-being. Turmeric also contains phosphorus, iron, iodine, and calcium, as well as vitamins C, B2, B3, and vitamin K, and has antibiotic properties. As we know, natural antibiotics do not harm our bodies, unlike synthetic ones, which can damage the liver and digestive system. Recent studies have shown that turmeric helps in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. It reduces the inflammatory and oxidative processes that trigger this disease. It's no wonder that the people of the East call it the golden gift of the gods. However, there is one important detail: the body absorbs it poorly. Curcumin has low bioavailability, meaning that the body absorbs it poorly. To enhance its effect, it is recommended to add a bit of black pepper to turmeric. Piperine, found in pepper, increases the absorption of curcumin several times, making it more effective. Now, let's move on to the recipe itself. To prepare the mixture of honey, turmeric, and black pepper, you will need the following ingredients: 100 grams of honey, 20 grams of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix honey, turmeric, and black pepper in a glass or porcelain bowl. Let the mixture sit for 12 hours. It is best to store it in the refrigerator. For effective and safe use, it's important to know how to properly consume this mixture. First, to improve absorption and reduce stress on the stomach, it's best to take the mixture after meals. This will help prevent irritation of the stomach lining and reduce the likelihood of a rapid spike in blood sugar levels as food slows down the absorption of sugars. Additionally, taking it after a meal helps the fat from the food absorb curcumin more effectively. Recommended dosage schedule for colds and viral infections. On the first day, take the mixture every 3 to 4 hours, 1 teaspoon at a time. On the second and third days, reduce the intake 2 to 3 times a day. For preventive purposes, take 1 teaspoon 1 to 2 times a day, preferably in the morning and evening. For maximum effect, the mixture should be slowly dissolved in the mouth. This will enhance its effect on the mucous membrane, ensuring direct contact with any infection-causing agents if present. Additionally, honey soothes the throat, while black pepper further enhances the action of curcumin. Although honey with turmeric and black pepper truly has healing properties, it is important to remember the potential contraindications. This mixture is not recommended in the following cases: allergy to honey or turmeric. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients, it's best to avoid using the mixture. Gastrointestinal disorders in the acute stage. If you have ulcers, gastritis, or erosions, honey with turmeric may irritate the mucous membrane. Gallstone disease. Turmeric has a choleretic effect and may trigger the movement of stones, potentially causing serious complications. Pregnancy. Turmeric may cause an increase in blood pressure, which can be undesirable during pregnancy. It is also important to remember that the mixture of honey, turmeric, and black pepper is not a complete substitute for medical treatment. This natural remedy can be used as a supplement to primary treatment or for preventive purposes. However, it should not be the sole method of combating illness, especially in the case of serious infections or chronic diseases. If you're interested in the beneficial properties of turmeric, I highly recommend trying another wonder remedy, turmeric tea. It warms you up, boosts the immune system, and helps fight inflammatory processes in the body. You'll find the link to the turmeric tea recipe in the description of this video. This tea is easy to prepare at home and will be a great addition to your wellness arsenal. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be sure to respond. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about healthy recipes and wellness tips, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you never miss the next episodes. And I'll see you in the next video.